I don't have. Do you want me to give you girlfriend? Girlfriends. And then I will give you a girlfriend, you will give me a boyfriend. Hi Nick, hi G-Man. Is this time? Thank you, Mouse. Thank you. I miss you too, Bissett. Thought you had a VF already. No. Really? I thought you knew. Hi, Lexus. Jokes lang. Hello, cheers. Let's read the cups. Why? Is it bad using a cups? Caps lock? Ano? Dapat pala bumili ako merienda. Gutom ako. Like, Valencia. Hi, JP. What's up? Oh, Sir George. Oh, I can tell it here. Cups normally means you are shouting. I'm so blind. Oh, maybe, ano, look, what is that? Maybe he can see the small letters. That's why he's using big. Hi, Sasa. Hi, Luke. Thank you for following me. Hi, Martin. Welcome, guys. How are you po? Good. The best. Hi, 69. Sir George, my manager is mad at me. I can tell it here. I will tell you in chat. Because I lipat to your family. She's saying a lot of bad things to me. And how can you say parinig? Like in our GC, she's parinig. Hi, Milad. Ah, what event? Hi, Tris. Sorry, what event po? I just got talent. Oh, so amazing. I could join. I don't have a talent. I unexpected. Check out. Tell me the chismis too. Oh, you're chismoso. Can I? You can. It's like singing, dancing, like that. Any talent? Sad to say, I don't have any talent. No, I don't want to win everyone. Hi, Clover Salazar. Right? Right? Hey, welcome. The girls got few days. Yeah, I saw the pictures like in the airplane. Uy, my hair is very long na. next year, I hope it will be like next year around this month, same month. It's beautiful here too. Thank you. Zia sounds like Sia. Yeah, that's my outro. Every time I'm gonna end the live, like Zia later. No, but there will be other chips as well. Oh, okay. Hi, Tyler. I wanna do multi than solo live. But if I'm in multi, it will be more harder to earn wins. Hi, young boy. Hi, Jerry Lee. Welcome. Kamusta po, everyone? Hi, Rob. Want to eat? Hi, Jerry Lee. I can understand you. Nat! Kenneth! Bili ka merienda. Tara dito, dali. Oh, that R, you're still there. OMG. How are you, that R? Hi, Yolo. Hi, Mr. Man. Kamusta? SP, since you're so tagal na here in Bicol, can you give me tips how to do live better? I'm well, and you? I'm well. I'm also well. Didn't get affected by the typhoon that bad. Hi, Atak. Ano yata wallet ka ba? Ano yung ano mo? Hi, type. You every time beautify more. Hi, Uzbu. Welcome. I'm lagging. Nakakainis. Sorry, guys. The signal is so bad until now. It's still bad. So annoying. Do you guys still hear me even though it's like there's a bad signal? Do you guys still hear me and then the picture lags? Hi, Baskizzy. Welcome. SP, what do you mean? To be around others too. Hi, Johnson. The pick and still. So the screen is lang. Stop. Wait, Mr. Man, thank you for the taps. Hi, Annie. Salamat po. How are you? I'm good. Thank you for asking. How about you? Mahiwaga lang. Great, ma. Welcome back. Hi, Mr. Man. What's this? Hi, Zachary. Hello po. Socialize, go to others multi join salons. Yeah. Actually, before I don't really join other people's life, but right now I'm improving. Really, I also do multi na. And before I don't really. I up patata because hi. How are you, Mr. Ivan? I'm also improving because ano na, I can also join other multis. But I'm still shy. Hi, Sunset's Lemonade. Welcome back. I'm good. Thanks. And yeah, oh, I'm curious. We didn't meet, pa. I mean, we haven't met, Mr. Man. It's our first time. Is this our first time talking to each other? I'm also good. Thank you. If you only go live and don't roam around to find friend supporters, how would we know you exist? Right? Yeah, thank you. Thank you, SP. More tips, please. I only knew you because of George and Romar. Okay, boss. Tell me